Blue ring appears while touching the phone screen on Samsung, and how do you go about disabling that blue ring? So blue ring, as in you can see this little blue ring as I'm swiping through the screens like this, the blue ring is appearing like this, right? So how do you go about disabling this blue ring feature? As you can see over here, now it's not a bug, it's actually just a feature that you might have accidentally enabled. To disable it, simply open up settings on your Samsung Galaxy device, and from settings just scroll down until you see the option called accessibility. So look for the accessibility option. Once you find accessibility, tap on it, then go to interaction and dexterity, and over here scroll down and you can see ignore repeated touches. This might have actually been enabled, so all you have to do is make sure to disable this feature by toggling the toggle off, and now you can see ignore repeated touches is actually disabled. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.